Talofa American Samoa in Nefo Itaya Matano Fale, Lofa Malanga Lail CCS. O Mawaisia Vanoa fa pena na toi fa wa wina il tatu proclame o le Fale Lalaga wa tu fa tasia le ofisa o le American Samoa Visitors Bureau. Po le ofisa fo i o lo ngafa matangata ta fa mai tono tatu wa tunu. Fa talo fa tu tama matina matua ia me se fo i lato o lo mawa mai le nei proclame i lo na o telenga ia i le a upena tawhailangi whatalo whatu nei tai au. O se tasi o tu o tatou prokalama, o le asia lea o tangata i te tono o tatou watanuu. O tangata lo i latou tāleni ese. E mawhai o na whasoa mai nei fu i vai taimi a wa tatou silafia. Ia ele i mai atu lava le nei whawhitau i al koviti. Ia wa tatou ilua fo i o le lesi nei matanga luenga wa a fia lava. Talu mai nei wha mai. Ia wa amatai fo i ona tau lea i tangata e ngā lulue. Whaua wala tau tāleni e masani ai. Ia e meise lava ia mea nei o mea lalanga ia matulanga whapena ai. E saunia o arte mea mai malo mai fafo. Ia o lesi nā au tu o tatou prokalama. Whaua upea ngā luenga a ta mā, tina. Ia me se foi nisi ar whanau. O lo no foi a inga nei vai taimi wa le intu risi o mai. O nei la tai au. Fia lava le anganga e whawheloa i atu tatou prokalama. Le tinane ia Lesila Fong. O le tinane ia Lesila Fong. Ia o la geste nei tai au ma o le a matal noa te foi. I se tasi foi o tāleni wa whapena na saunia ia. A wa ese foi nei vai taimi wa lei foi tangata e tawhau mai e whaatau ia tu ai ngā o loa ne ngā sia nei tinam tama. Ia awa mawhau foi e se si awala e whawhai ngofia ai. Talofa Lesila.
Talofa.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm so grateful that you decided to join our talk show this morning. For our listeners and our viewers, this is Lesila Fong, one of the artists, handicrafts maker here in American Samoa. Let's talk about the idea of making the palas. But before we go there, you mentioned something about the community of women with Representative Andrew Samoa. Olo fiesau noaltina I Lesila. I le prokalama le sa fai momoena to ma le fai pulele ya Andrew Samoa. Talk about that once before we go into the palas.
Her program is to encouraging the women and the mothers at home. They have no job. To learn anything, you can use your own hand to create so you can earn income or help your family. So she had sewing class, we having tie-dye material.
Yeah, I saw the tie-dye. Yeah.
And anything else, even up to the gardening.
And these are women from your village?
It's not only Leone, it's from different area, wherever they want to willing, they have some from different villages, they joining to the group. And that's how it was encouraging us, the women, to do things so now.
So the classes were every day?
They have different classes, the sewing class and tie-dye, you have printing, hand printing or sewing. We have different days. They have class on Thursday, different class on Saturday and Tuesday. But right now they have only the sewing is still going. And she's Samoa is Andra is building, extending her house to extending there, even to encourage the student. They drop out from school, they have not yet graduate, helping them to tutor them to they can enter the college.
But this was for a group of women. Yeah. Lela o tatou whaafonga mai. A tonu fo in tatou sila fia fo se taimi. ia le tūlanga le ngaluenga le la sa whai le whaipule le ia Andra Samoa. Le la sa iei matina. So this is where you got the idea of, let's go to the pales. Wow.
Yes.
Now, this is different. Yeah, utato mai mo mai. O le tele lava o pale if the pales that we have here on island or a lot of people make are from fresh flowers.
Yes.
Ah.
We having, usually
And then somebody
Makes-
said, "Oh, you should look at this new lady with what she's doing with the pales." Tell us the difference between the fresh flowers and the artificial ones that you've done.
fresh flower, I do fresh flower, but I look at it, people have to spend your $20 or $25 to make fresh flowers. And sometimes I don't have
$20.
I don't have
Yeah,
the flower,
Oh,
so I
okay.
have to go and get it
Yeah.
borrow from other people to make it. But I look at it, you just wear it only one day, and you throw it away. And I was thinking, I go to the store, I look at the flower, it's beautiful. If I can do it with the real flower, I can do it with the fresh flower and can last for a year. So that's how I get the idea to do it with the
Ia, le la usau no mai tina ia le sila. Ia, le se senga fo yo le fuala au fo le pe yo le moso oi po le pua. Ia o le langa ali, le whaanga fo e tina mai tātou e su e tātou ula po pale foi. Ia awa mawhau ia, ia e le te me alu le maua se fuala au. Ia, ai mawhau lo ia, tere lava ia fuala au tō wa ai mai le mana, ia nei fuala au I whale o loa. Ai a whai e la le pale, oka, e umi atu. It's going to last long, right? And you
Yes.
could use it again and again and again. So when did you start making this? Right after you went to those classes with Andra Samoa?
We have one day we having a sale for whatever we create and we sell it there. And one of our sister from Fale, she bring, but she use artificial leaves to make hair pale. And I was looking at it, and one of our sewing class, the lady was asking how much. She said it's 25.
Yeah, that's
And
what I
she-
heard. It's 20.
And she turned around and looked at me and she said, I bet you can beat the hair. So I just look at her because I never tried the artificial flower. So she was requesting to me, if you can do it, I want to. You can do it. So the other lady was said, you can make me free. If you do it fresh flower. I go home and I was think about it. So I go to the store, look around. So I start from that day. When I give it to them, they are the ones start telling the friends and
'Cause,
just encouraging me to keep
One
doing
of the ladies who bought like 5 pallets from you called me and said, "Oh, you should feature this lady on your talk show." Yeah, le lau tātou whaafonga mai. Na mata nā fuafua fo ni tā le tina. Ina wa ai fo I se tasi tina. O whaia pale ia le whaanga ai whala au real fresh flowers. Ia ma le taula ia I lua lima tāna. Ai sa watu la le tangata fia whaatau mai se pale. Ia ai le lau mawhau ia. E si le lana whaile to inga pale le. So this one is 25.
Yes, I have selling, one of my friends is a business lady, she
Yeah.
advertised it, but she put it $30.
Wow.
When people come and ask me, oh, can I get it for 20 or 25? I said, yeah. I'm happy that they happy, that they enjoying it. I enjoy making it.
It's beautiful, and flowers should make us happy. Yeah, mantua fo ila tato. Yeah, o le puse tau whatai tai na. Lesila, do you have stores that orders from you?
No,
So
I
you
have-
just deliver it to the
Yeah,
stores?
that's the only through friends they.
Okay.
And some people they wear it, and other people look at it,
Yeah.
and the way you get it. So they give my phone number. That's how I sell it. I don't go to the store and advertise.
Ia, wa ai lai tātou tina o le tele I o le tā leni. E te tau le alu foi le e whai lava oe pale a wape o le si le atu langa le e ai nei vai tāng. O le nofo ia ai o lo tele lava le tā leni whai o le whai. Ia, o le nei lawa tātou whaalongo mai foi le whaasoa le tina nei. Te le lava so the income helps you out with the family,
Yes.
Yeah, if so swani for ia male ainga male whanau I tūlanga for the singa o le whatu ainga. Yeah, Lesila, if you look at, okay, let's look at the pilots on this table. How much, what's the X amount of dollars you will spend? Just go to the store and get these. Just the ones on the table.
Maybe around 200.
Okay. Yeah.
Only the flowers.
Only the flowers.
So I use whatever from the sewing, the leftover cutting materials. So I use it for inside to cover the.
Le lai tatewa ai mai tonu le material le tonu.
Yes.
So this use the extra material lah.
Yeah, I don't throw it away. So I keep it the leftover material. So I use it to.
Yeah, o ngā luenga tau lima lama. Yeah. O le foi la mo tatou ai foi nei vai tau. Pe o toi foi a tangata e fai pale o fia la tangata e fai pale. Yeah, a tonu foi le walata ma White Sunday is what? Next 2-3 months,
Yes.
And maybe you'll have a big order of pales from our community. Yeah, o le tā ua la nā tātou pokalama foi. Whaafonga mai tātou watunu. Ai me se foi tina no Fale mai lātou foi. Ia, e mai foi le whaasoa ato le nei tā leni. A wau te loa to tele rawa tangata lo ia lātou tā leni. Ia, ai mawhai foi le tā leni nā. O na sosoani foi. E mawai foi se leni whaapopo foi. Ia, e whai ei foi nisi fuafuangan a inga. Okay, now let's come to the say. Wow, yeah. O lea foi la e saunia foi tina e Lesila. E le say. So Lesila, I see yours is different from the other ones at the store. Yeah, o lo fa pena foi la. Yeah, ona ngau sia foi la ia ma fa pena foi na tawatu say. So how much are you selling the says?
The say I sell it $350.
$350. Yeah, e tolu tā la. Yeah, vai le losa mana ia ne. Yeah, e tolu tā la aftala. Yeah, o lo fa pena foi ona fata. Well, say ne. Lesila, has any of your children encouraged you to go online and sell your pales and your merchandise?
Yes, my 2 kids was telling me, but I don't want to. I'm happy what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Whatever I can do it. When I have spare time, I
Okay,
sit down
good.
and,
So you don't want mass
I don't
produce
have
it.
to be. I have some order like Mother's Day just finished and Father's Day we have graduation.
Yeah, those were the.
I don't have to sleep because I have the order. I have to awake whole day, whole night to try to get their order. And I look at it, why I have to advertise it? I have enough. I'm not greedy for more. Whatever I have, it's enough.
And plus, you also think of your time, right?
Yes, I have.
You're the only one. Does your children help you out with the pales?
Sometimes they come and help me, my 2 kids at home with me. But usually I can.
Mother's Day is one of the biggest shopping days in American Samoa.
Yes.
Do you imagine how many pallets you did for Mother's Day?
Mother's Day was more than 50.
Wow.
And people ordering, not only they order they want
Yeah, we'll talk about this. Yeah.
So one of a lady was telling me, why don't you, instead of using the flowers and the leaves, use the feather. So I get the idea, I could buy from there. People, they really like the feather.
Yeah.
So I have different colors.
Lea fo tātou ai mai le si lea fo I ngā luenga tau lima al tina ia Lesila. Yeah, olo iai. So this is a ula.
ula.
Yeah.
But they have the long one I use for the ribbon, but I run out of it. And I didn't make it anymore.
Yeah, o le ula la lea. Yeah, o le foi la e mafulu moa nei. Yeah, o mea lava nei ngā sia ele tina ia le sila. Yeah. I bet graduation. Did they order this on graduation?
Yes.
Yeah, o lo iai foi la le lanu mu lea. A wa a tatou wa ai foi nei vai tau. Yeah, o le tele i o tā le di o tatou watu nuu. Yeah, o le lanu mu lea. Yeah. E foi la ma le lanu sama lea. Lesila, let's say, if you're going to make an ula for me, this will take you how many days to make one?
2 hours.
Wow, 2 hours. Yeah. Vai lai ele atua lava se aso o fai nei ula a. Yeah, e lua i tu la. Yeah, a fa pela e fa ula i. Yeah. E valu la i tu la a. Yeah, mai le mana ia. Yeah, e lava le teime fai e malava fo le teime e malolo ai ia le tina nei. I le fai ngone ole ula nei. Yeah, Lesila, graduation. I see a lot of hakus and it's getting bigger and bigger. The money pales, the hakus, and do you make those as well?
Yes.
With the dollars?
Yes. As what I say, it's not only I making the party, I make the, it's up to the parents. They come and tell me, oh, I give you $100. You can make my daughter's, I want this design, I want it.
Okay.
So I have to use my 2 kids, or my niece and nephew, and to help me to fold the money.
Do you go into the bank and get fresh dollars, or do you use
the... they have to provide their dollars.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I make it for them.
Yeah, what's that?
But some of them I have to provide it, and...
Okay. Le lewa matanoa fo i matina, ia ele to e ngā pale fo i lewa ta tere la fo i nei vai tau tono tatu atunu. Ele ngata, not just here in Samoa, but we see our own relatives off island wearing those mane pales, and they're getting extravagant with it's like a tuinga. O kako vai pale lewa fai nge e o foi la I le tupe. Lesila, it's been a while since we have tourists here, and this is also one of the goals for our program, is to go out into the community and see if people are still doing handicrafts. It's been really hard, especially for people like you, people who do handicrafts, even some of our folks here at the market. What do you think? If the tourists come back, will they be able to buy any of this?
Well, yeah. I have no problem with it.
So we continue to make,
we
continue to keep on making handicrafts. Well, Lesila, because that's one of the things that we witness, is that people just stop altogether. No more cruise ships, no more people coming into the island. So why waste time? But one of the things that our new directors try to promote here is what we call domestic tourism. Yeah, o le kwa I ngā turisi fo I la lea, whaongala wa tātou tangata nu. Wa wale ni tangata ta whao mai, wale fo ni tangata turisi e toyo mai. Yeah, ai e whaongala wa la tātou, o lo tere lava, e le ngata I lātou o lo ngau sia pale, o lo whai fo I lātou ngā lue ngā tau lima, o lo iai fo I tātou whale ainga, o tā vale rent or taxis, o pasi foi, e foi lá tuas foi en mato tam fai foi a mai I tatou prokala ma leo e matamata I tatou o ngā Sami pe alu foi o iau nu. O mea umalama na sa whaia te mino mai tu visi. Ia, eo I whaitari maa lo mtulanga whapena. Ia, ai whaongata tu atunu. Lesila, what's the number before we forget? If people want to order this, I know people will see this. Oh, I want to call Lesila and order from her. The number is to get a hold of you.
My house number is 688-7714.
688
7714.
7714.
The house
Yeah,
number.
ole numera la na ole fale, ole ono valu valu, fitu,
Kasfo.
tasifa, fitu tasifa. And your cell number?
My cell number is 256-4151.
256
4151.
4151. Yeah, male numero al telefoni e lua lima ono 54
41
Fatasi
4151.
4151.
Yeah. Fatasi
Fatasi
ni
ni
matas.
Matas. Okay, Lesila, let's talk about encouraging people to get out there and do this. I know some people said, "Oh, no more tourists, so we just stay home." I don't know where to sell this, but Olesi Awalale that we here at our tourism office that would like to encourage people is to go online. Yeah, e foi na istina I ole maketi sa matutala no ai. Na o foi lunga ole foi ole interneti. Ya po au pena ta failangi. Ya ma fata wa ya lato tulanga ne, or maybe after the program one of our staff members will help you out with that. Yeah, lava websites that American Samoa deals and steals. Yeah, olo otele ona fata watwai. Yeah, I leto itata tfalo. Etele lava ole tupe mawaltina ya Lesila. Yeah, ole tupe ale evala mai tangata. Yeah, mfape ma. Yeah, if ya fata se pale pefia oka foi se pale. Yeah, pefia fia oka foi se ulalea. What about Father's Day? Did fathers want pales too?
They want the ula. Mostly they order the ula for the fathers. No.
For the Father's Day, huh?
But the Mother's Day, they...
Oh yeah, the mothers is like, and it's like every day people go to weddings. Yeah, what's the I never tell me if you feel like na le lotu pe os fala le lave. Yeah, wa faya pale ne. Yeah, ale mana ya la ne pale. Yeah, uma tu fa ngai lisiaso. Yeah, tu yeah, fai foi le tu fa ngai lisiaso. Yeah, ma fa pena lava le fai no le tu la. What's your advice to women or to people who seem to have the talent but fa pala or maybe they get lazy? They need to hear it. What's your word of encouragement to them?
To me, if I can do it, any woman or any man or woman or child can do it. We have to remember that God give us talent. And you have to work on it. Well, I didn't be perfect until now.
Yeah.
I start from the beginning, little by little, and then I get the idea how to twist it. You can twist it little by little, and I didn't just wake up one morning
come out
and
perfect,
just come out perfect. And you have to, and then for the women, especially as mothers, we staying home. We can do it. You have spare time. You do your chores at home, feed your children, send them to school. You have 1 hour, 2 hours. Sit down and do something. Even cooking. You can cook. You can still earn money from it. I always do it before, but so it's easy for me to do this. I don't have to go deliver the food unless they order and I cook and deliver. But I find it easy for me. I'm happy looking at the flowers, beautiful. And I enjoy it. I play around with it. I get the idea. And for the women, you can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. And even I don't sell it every day.
I know, yeah.
But when people, they come buy 2-3 a day, I'm happy. At least I get the money from there, help my family, and I buy some more flour to continue
Yeah,
on.
leo tātou whaafonga i le whautuanga fo i tina po se upu fo i whala i au i le tāleni na mai le atua ia tina po tama fo i po tupulanga tala vau ia toe whaawau tāleni lo ia te oe a tonu o lo i se mea lo whau fo i nā toi le atua ia te oe ia e te tauna e tangoe e whaatino wa e le whaapea na lai foloti na ia Lesila pe se fai lava sa pale lea ele e fai lava le lei pe upu masari fo tsa fa longo ia e a nga fo lo tsan moi fai e o mai folo ia bo mana ia le va ai mana ia fo ile va ia tsanatsa ia ai mo tingana na no fani o le lapata inga na ele fa pe fo iwa mo le toi o mai tanga ta fa po tu risi ia la no fono fo ia tato le ai e mai fo ile tua ia ma fa le lei ia ma le tale ni e fai tato fa so at e ma wai fo le se leni fo ie a wa pe le si fo na a wana au tu e ma wai se leni so so anin ainga. I heard you at the beginning. You don't want to do this because you're not a greedy person. But do you think there's joy in making all of this?
Yes. I find myself happy when I look at the beautiful flower and what I create to make somebody else happy.
The colors will make you happy.
It's not about myself. It's about others too. Whatever I can make it to make somebody else happy, I'm happy
That's
too.
good. Yeah, pe fe au na a fa pe fai nga luenga man fia. E fai fo en fa fia I nice tangata. Yeah, fa tai tina ya Lesila mo fa so fo nei aso. Wa mai atato proclame American Samoa ya ai foi se tasi e fia a white tato proclame. Ya o le tato numera ne o tato ofisa I nei le teri sa Samoa I whangatongo. Vala au mai leono tolu iwa valu o lima. O lo iel tata ofisa nei o le American Samoa Visitors Bureau nei whangatongo o le teri of Samoa. Ia o lo tele foi ia tato prokalama o lo whapenao na maua I le tato website o le www.americansamoa.travel www.americansamoa.travel Ia Samoae ua whangaitia le nganga ua whapena ona mai al tātou prokalame ia e te tolu le nganga iei fo I se taimisa iei fo I se upu wasasi au se anga fo I wale tala whea ngai malau silasira malau mai mua mai ia alofa e whaamanga alo mai le au auna ia a le tinala ia le Lesila Fong mai le awhia anga leone o au nei o Poe Mageo tō wha soifua.